David Susilo unscripted YouTube channel videos are recorded using lenses provided by ShiftCam. Sonos amp. What do you need to know? It's an amplifier from Sonos. It can be connected to Sonos environment, be it to work independently or be part of the ecosystem. I have used the previous version of Sonos amp. Basically, it does the same thing without the eARC connectivity, and I use them for more than 40 commercial locations, and all of them are gyms, including about 2 dozens of Orange Theory Fitness. Yes, it's a tad overkill, but it's stable, it always works, and not once I have to go back and troubleshoot the unit. So now let's open the new box and see what's inside. I immediately greeted by Sonos amp in a black cloth. It has a good heft to it, followed by my friend instructions manual. Located at the back, there is an accessories box. Let's see what's inside there. The AC cable, standard AC cable, and the speaker terminals. So this way you put the cable directly to the terminal and then you just plug in the terminal to the amp. This way when you're doing your install, you don't have to fiddle around with the back of the amp. And now let's have a look inside and see how the amp looks like. And yes, it's so sleek. It actually looks expensive with very understated looks and also looking serious, unlike the original Connect amp. And also because of the smoothness of the entire unit, it is also a lot easier to clean or to dust. And now let's have a look at the back of the amp. Over here you can see the sync button located just above the AC power input, followed by an eARC connection. So you can use this unit with your TV, a pair of left and right RCA input, subwoofer output, 2 RJ45 slots, and a pair of speaker terminals. Connecting the amp is a breeze, and of course for this review I connected my MK Sound S150 left and right speakers with the V12 Plus subwoofer, and the result is phenomenal. It's quite an improvement compared to the Sonos Connect amp. The sound seems to be less harsh, with better vocals and punchy bass. And it's pretty dynamic too. Of course, it's always recommended for you to download the latest version of Sonos app, just like here. And after you've done the app update, open it, and then from there, click that sunny button on the top right. Then you'll go to Manage, and then from Manage, go all the way down to System Update. Click for System Update. Click Check for Updates. And after you subscribe to my channel, your Sonos system is up to date and ready to be enjoyed. And enjoyed it I did indeed. And I tested it not only using my MK Sound S150, but also my new SVS. They are the Ultra Evolution bookshelf variety. And while the sound's slightly different in terms of sound signature compared to the MK Sound S150, I do still find the SVS Ultra Evolution bookshelves to be equally good as my MK Sound S150. Will I trade my MK Sound S150 with the SVS Ultra Evolution bookshelf? No. But the point of this test is to make sure the Sonos amp to work real well with all kinds of speakers. Next speakers that are going to be on the list, the Bose AM3. Believe it or not, it's one of my favorite speakers, not because of the sound, but because of the nostalgia of the bygone era. And guess what? The Sonos amp can make the sound decent even on that Bose AM3. So my verdict? Yep, the Sonos amp is still very good. It's actually even better than the previous Connect amp. It sounds cleaner and clearer to my ears. While it's not cheap, you get what you pay for. Are you using the Sonos amp or planning to use the Sonos amp? Leave your thoughts in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.